आंखें बंद कर लीजिए एंड सिट कंफर्टेबली एंड इजीली. क्लोज योर आईज. सीधे होकर बैठ जाते हैं. लंबी गहरी सांस अंदर और धीरे धीरे बाहर. रिलैक्स योर होल बॉडी फ्रॉम टोज टू द हेड. The whole body. This body is a beautiful gift from the divine. Honor and respect this body. शरीर का सम्मान करें. पूरा ध्यान अपनी सांसों पर लेकर आते हैं. All the time we are so busy with the outside world, we have barely given attention to this body, this breath. Observe your breath. Is it slower? Is it faster? Relax your whole body. आंखें बंद ही रखेंगे. Keep your eyes closed. अगर सीधे नहीं बैठ पाते हैं तो take a back support and be still. Make sure your spine is erect. Gently move your attention to the different organs of your body. Slowly and steadily. Gently move your attention to both the feet. Knees, thighs, both the legs. Relax them more and more. Now gently move your attention to the pelvic area, navel, abdominal muscles. Now relax completely. Take one gentle breath in, slowly let go. धीरे धीरे move your attention to the chest region. Right and the left hand, both the arms, relax them completely. Now gently move your attention to the lower back, middle back and the upper back and the whole back region. Relax it completely. और सहारा श्वास अंदर, धीरे धीरे बाहर. Now slowly and gently move your attention to top of the head, back of the head, forehead, facial muscles, both the ears and the whole body. Every single organ of your body is filled with energy. Wherever you are taking your attention, there is abundance of energy that is flowing. जहाँ जहाँ अपना ध्यान लेकर जा रहे हैं, वहाँ पर ऊर्जा शक्ति और ज़्यादा फैल रही है. Feel that energy, that awareness. Breathe in joyfully, breathe out joyfully. You have become like a ball of energy from toe to the head. Every single cell of your body is bubbling with joy, bubbling with energy and life. Feel that energy in every single cell of your body. Relax more and more. Take one more gentle breath in, slowly let go. The energy element has covered you from all the directions. Feel the lightness in your body. और साधारण सांस भरेंगे और धीरे धीरे बाहर। कीप योर आईज क्लोज्ड, आंखें बंद ही रखेंगे। रिलैक्स मोर एंड मोर। Every single organ is feeling much lighter and is full of life, energy, vitality. And gradually all the thoughts are also dissolving. मन में जो विचार है वो भी धीरे धीरे कम हो रहे हैं, भावनाएं भी स्थिर हो रही हैं। The emotions, the thoughts are dissolving and the mind is being settled in the present moment. मन स्थिर है, शरीर स्थिर है। You have become like a ball of energy, full of vitality, life. The energy is not outside. You are the very source of energy. Remind yourself of this again and again. आप ही ऊर्जा के स्रोत हैं। जिस ऊर्जा को आप बाहर खोजते हैं वो बाहर नहीं है। You are the source. Realize this again and again. The more you realize, there is more abundance of energy that is moving all around. Now take your attention towards any such organ that has some form of discomfort or pain. वहाँ पर अपना ध्यान लेकर जाइए. Keeping your attention there, feel that there is abundance of energy, vitality, life force that is covering that organ. Inhale slowly, exhale. There is more and more energy that is covering that organ. Feel the lightness, healing element in that organ. Take one more gentle breath in, slowly let go. Wherever you take your attention, awareness, there is flood of energy, abundance of energy. Your attention, your awareness is powerful. जीवन में हम अपना ध्यान कहाँ रख रहे हैं? Ask yourself this question. एक और साधारण श्वास अंदर, धीरे धीरे बाहर. Relax more and more. विश्राम करें. Let go of all the effort. मन शांत हो गया है, शरीर स्थिर है, श्वास भी धीमी और गहरी चल रही है. Observe your breath and the state of the mind. धीरे धीरे externalize your awareness. Become aware of the whole body surroundings. शरीर और वातावरण के प्रति सजग हो जाते हैं. और सजग होते होते breathe in joyfully, breathe out joyfully. Feel grateful for everything. जो भी हमें प्राप्त है या प्राप्त नहीं है उन सबके प्रति कृतज्ञ हो जाते हैं. Know that there is a divine will behind everything. हर एक चीज के पीछे ईश्वरी इच्छा ही है. इस बात को याद रखेंगे और मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते One more gentle breath in and slowly let go. और धीरे धीरे whenever you feel complete, जब भी पूर्णता अनुभव हो आराम से अपनी आंखें खोल सकते हैं. Gently open your eyes. Take your time.